Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Easy here. Not gonna go to a full intro. Want to get this video done and really quick for you guys. So if y'all watched my previous video, I showed y'all that it was a new Legion Go update. It changed some of the settings on here. It did put the full screen experience on here, so that wave just did just come out for the Legion Go with a controller update also. So basically the controller update was basically for the buttons for the Xbox full screen experience. That's basically what it was for. So they did add new functions and stuff on here, so you can actually get to the things a little bit quicker. And I'm going to show you basically what some of the functions was. They did add the function of getting the Xbox app on there. So if you went to settings, and I'm going to show you real quick. So let me just cover up this real quick. My personal information. You need to go to game real quick. Sorry about that. And click on that. So now you got the option to get Xbox right here, like that, or none. Click that back like that, whatever it may be. I did make a video showing you guys how to get this enabled on here. Basically, it was going to the reg key and just changing a letter from 4, a number from 4 to, I think it was 2E or E2. Just had to change that to actually get this thing to pop up. So now they actually released the full version. So now you're able to get this thing right now with no problem like that. I am on a different firmware than you guys. I am an Xbox insider. Early access and stuff like that. I've been doing that since probably what, 2014, 15, whenever it first started, back with the 360 days. That's when I've been part of that program ever since. And yeah, I've been part of it for a very long time. So I'm on a different build from you guys, but they did just roll that out for everybody, I believe. If you go into Legion Go, open up the Legion Go space, you'll be able to download it. So what are some of the new things that they add towards it? Now, when you press your right button, which basically opens up this control right here, now you actually have the option is hold it like this to pull this up now. Before, you couldn't do that before. So basically, I showed you guys how to set a program up for this, remapping your controller. So you can basically do the Xbox thing. So you basically do that, pull that up, or push this like that to get into that, just like that. Showed you guys before. Same thing with the Xbox experience app things. Like they just hit this like that, go to Xbox, pull that up, just like that. If you watch my video, I showed you guys basically how to do that. Let's put in the full screen mode real quick. I'm going to show you some of the differences that just happened. So we're just going to start it without setting nothing. So now if you want to get into this without pressing this to get into that, just long press it like this, and you're able to get into that with that side window like that. Now you can actually change it up so you don't have to do that anymore. So now what you can do is just long press it, do that. So instead of doing that, I can actually change this up now because they did give you the option to actually do that. You no longer need this. You can keep it like that if you want to just be able to get to it quick, or if you want to just hold it and press, you can. You have the option now, so you can use this button as a different option right there to a quick fast, or you want to just hold it and also this. Now they did add this one here, so now you do got the Legion Go Legion space up in here now for this part now. So now if you want to be able to like fastly open up everything, you have your customs, you got your quiet, balance, profile, performance, strong, medium, weak, off, lighting 1, 2, 3 off, enable touchpad, console key mapping. You can also do all that on the fly now, so you can just hit that and it should bring up the Legion space app right now, just like that. So you can get into that. You no longer have to press this button to get into it. I think you can change this button, but let me see. It's loading something up real quick. I am going to show you that how you can change the buttons on it now, because they actually changed up a lot of options on it that you can do on it right now. So now when I go towards settings and I go towards controller and go towards button mapping, now I can actually change around a lot of the settings now. So now instead of actually doing this, so hitting this, go to gamepad, go right here for my windows right here, and as you can see it right here, you got a controller, got your menus left, right here, then you got your mouse, then you got keyboard, then you got number pad, then you have this, then you can basically just go up to that. Let's back out. So now how can I change this button and this button? You now have the option now to actually change it out, so you don't have to do that no more. So basically you just back out like this and just go towards functions, shortcuts, hit that right here, and now you have the options to change that. You can't change this one right here. You can't change that one. You can't change that one, but you can change everything else. You do have the optional shortcuts to actually change it out. So if you want to be able to hit like, let's say you want to do here's the Xbox button. So basically you would press this left and right click. So you do this and this, and you'll be able to do that. I'm sorry. You do this and right click, and it basically brings you to the Xbox button. So you just hit this and hit that, brings you to the Xbox app like that. So it's basically that, like that. And that's the shortcut. If you don't want to do that and you want to change it up, you can actually change the shortcut list right here. So you have left, the left bumper right there, shortcut list like that. So now, if you want to change this up from that now and be able to go straight to the Xbox app, one thing you gotta do is go into the right menu, and now go to game bar right there, and there you go. Option to get over there quick. You still got your long press. Sorry. You still got your long press to get into that long like that, and you have that to get in over there like that. So now you don't have to have these custom settings. You can actually, can you change it? I didn't mess with that yet, so let's see if we can actually do this. So this button right here, I can actually set this as a shortcut to open up, I believe I can do it to open up this right here, which is our menu. Actually, no, you can't do that. You can't do that. I gotta figure out a shortcut for that to open up our menu, which when I do find that, I will show you guys. So if you want to be able to have this as your game bar, whatever like that, I don't know why you would want to do that. Most likely probably just so you can make it a official Xbox button right here. So let's just go right here. Let's just show you real quick. So let's make this my Xbox button. So if I was doing this, I have this right here to do that. Press this right here like that, and this is my permanent Xbox button right here. So what I am going to do, guys, I'm going to figure out which button I can put for this. I'm going to try to figure out what's going to be my right menu to actually get towards the original one, and just have this as my original Xbox dedicated button. Then I'll have one of these buttons down here as my my R menu right there to access everything else. But to be honest, I wouldn't even need to do that anymore, because the simple fact is, if I'm able to actually do this and get into this, I can go into my settings and basically just try to mess with some of the things right here. But this is just going to put up customized settings and stuff like that. This is for button mapping and things like that. So hit customize, bring back Legion space, and you can go in here. I know some of y'all ain't gonna want to go into the actual Legion Space app to do everything. So yeah, I kind of like understand where you guys is coming from. But yeah, I'm gonna figure out which shortcut it is for this. I'm gonna put this down for my right menu button, and once I figure it out, I'll put out another video for you guys. It's gonna probably be like a 1 to 2 minute video showing you guys like that. So make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell, become part of the DYEZ gang, and I will catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One. Peace. Holla.